How to buy USDT on Bybit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy USDT on Bybit. Now I'll be showing you on the application here, but the process is similar on the desktop as well. So you want to open up Bybit and then you want to log into your registered account. Once you have done so, you can see you'll get an interface like this on the application. You want to tap on the more option there on the screen. Once you tap on more, you'll find the option that says buy crypto here. So you want to tap on buy crypto option. Now, as you can see here, mine is automatically set to USDT, but if it's set to some other, then you want to simply tap on the drop down, the arrow icon or whichever crypto that shows up there, and then you can search in for particular crypto and you can select it. So once you tap on it, then you want to select the amount here. So you can see 28 USD. Well, you'll receive 29.16 USDT. So you're gonna tap on next and then go ahead through the prompts, select the payment methods and such, and make the payments, and you'll receive the crypto. So this way you can buy USDT on Bybit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.